You deserve it. Try to take a chance, say it's worth it. You deserve to do your thing. You deserve it. I believe in you. 'Cause if you deserve it, ain't nothing can stop your flight. Ain't nothing can stop your flight. Your flight. You deserve to fly sky high, fly sky high, fly sky high. 'Cause you deserve to. And I know, and I know, and I know, and I know, not many dare to tell you the truth, but you deserve the best. You deserve being you. Fly sky high, fly sky high. You deserve sky high, 'cause you deserve to. You deserve it. You deserve to be the best. I know you're worth it. You deserve to love yourself. I believe in you. And I know you suffer from all the pictures in your head. But you deserve to make a change. You deserve to fly sky high, fly sky high.
Hello everyone, it's me Diva, and today I'm doing a room tour. Okay, I hope you enjoy. I know all of you have been asking for this for days, so here you go, my room. And this is my bed. This is where I keep my shoes and clothes. I'm gonna start with this side. You'll see those. Here you go. My beauty wonderland. I will hold it. This is where I keep all my stuff. Don't look over here, don't.
Is this shoes? Okay, put it down.
You know what else is right there. Okay, and this is my dresser. It has lots of beautiful clothes. Want to see a pair? Well, here's a night pair. Here's a night. Well, here's some night clothes. It's unicorns. And I also have a onesie like that. And you want to see a day outfit? Where did those go? Right here, probably. Right here. These pants. And this shirt and these pants. They go perfect together. This is my table where I keep my stuff. Oh, and you will love this. Slime. This is graveyard time, and this is how it looks. this is a little chair I sit in to read at. I love it. This is the most comfortable chair I ever sit in to watch TV or to read. This is a puzzle. This is a puzzle I got for Christmas. And this is an 8-pack with 100 pieces in it. And up there, I have a pool, a fabulous pool party set, and foam ball guns. And here I have.
What is it?
I know what it is. You don't have to tell me.
Tell them.
Makeup. I also got this for Christmas, and some was from the pen pal. I've been wanting makeup since I was 6, and then I kept saying I want makeup, and then I finally got it, and now about like anytime I want, I can take a mirror and do whatever I want with this. I also got a mirror with it. Okay. And when you pick this up, you have an egg. I don't know what it's. What do they call this? Okay. And down here I have some neck chokers, blacks with jewelry, and then these plain colorful ones with no jewelry. And then I have some more makeup. I have a makeup palette. Show you the colors. Here are the colors that are in here. They're beautiful. I might do a makeup tutorial for y'all. I have a mirror, more eyeshadow, fingernail polish. Oh. This is blush. A little phone or what? Yeah, this is what? Eyeshadow. I got like 2 of these. I got some perfume. Where's the elf? And my elf is in here. Where is it? It's right here in this pocket. Where is it? Okay, it's right here. I found it. Here you go. Right here. Elf. I don't know what it looks like inside, but here you go. Right, in this drawer we have my crayons and some old coloring pages that I had from last year. And right here's a drawer that's messy because I took stuff in and out of. I really need stuff in this drawer.
Workbooks and stuff, right?
This for Christmas. I like it. Oh yeah, and some of my stuff, it's in a little box. It's a treasure box. Oh, over here. I keep it in here. This I keep my lip gloss stuff.
You can find all your other lip gloss put in there.
All of it.
Yeah, they all in there.
See?
Oh, there your remote for your car. I just need to charge it. Okay, you can do that later. It's gonna be long.
Okay, there's one more thing I got for Christmas, but I just can't find it. Oh, it's right here. And there's a couple more things, but this is a tea set. It's like a tea party. Well, yeah, it is a tea party set. It has snacks, tea, and wow, look at that. It's a happy birthday sign. And you can put any name you want. Cause look, I have some dolls up there. They're about my favorite dolls. I have a boy and I have 3 girls. Well, I haven't figured out her name yet because I'm still trying to.
You need to figure out how to make that bed.
Hey, I know how to make my bed.
Come on.
A sleeper. Okay, now over here I have my hat for when it's winter days, which is already winter, but I forgot to put this on earlier today. And I have my wrap for when, you know, I go to sleep. It's a good day or school night. I put this on. And then this is another dresser of mine, but it's just like extra 2 drawers that are standing on top of each other. So, you know. Oh yeah, this is my shoe shelf, which I have to organize again.
No, I already did it.
Oh. Nope. Down here.
You just put them in there today.
The
red ones you had on.
Oh, I did.
Okay.
Alright. So we're done with this. Okay, now right here you have my closet. Hold up. This, and I forgot something.
A backpack rack.
Yeah, this is a backpack
You don't have to take it off.
/ jacket rack. And here's my favorite fluffy jacket. Here are my bows.
That you never ever wear. Go to the closet.
Because you never asked me to get those. But here is my closet. I have Play-Doh right here. Play-Doh and other stuff. I have a pool noodle that I love to play with. I have a scooter, 2 scooters. I think 5.
You got 2. You broke 1.
Yeah, 2. And I have
To tell you the truth, but you deserve the best. You deserve being you. Fly, sky high, fly, sky high. You deserve sky high, 'cause you deserve to. You deserve it. You deserve to be the best. I know you're worth it. You deserve to love yourself. I believe in you. And I know you suffer from all the pictures in your head. But you deserve.
Okay, have a happy new year and like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
Sky